Okay, continuing on with Chapter 8, I'm going to be talking about note receivables and doing the journal entries for notes receivable. However, I want you to note that the summation of journal entries for the direct write-off and the allowance methods, you can find them on page 448 of the textbook. All right, and the text is posted in Blackboard. All right, so now we're going to be doing note receivables. All right, note receivables are more formal, and they usually have interest attached. Okay, they might be for a longer period of time, they might be for a larger amount than somebody's willing to do on an accounts receivable because they want to collect the interest on it. Okay, so we're gonna follow the one in the book. Smart Touch Learning lent Lauren $1,000 on September the 30th. All right, so on September the 30th, when they lent Lauren $1,000, they're gonna have a note receivable. Cash is gonna go out the door for the $1,000. All right, and it was a 6-month, 1-year note. Oh, so I'm sorry, 6% 1-year note. Okay, now what happens though, my year end or Smart Touch's year end is December 31st. So at December 31st, we need an adjusting entry to accrue interest revenue. Okay. Now, the journal entry, remember I'm accruing interest revenue. So she's gonna owe me some interest revenue. So that's gonna be interest receivable is the debit. And I'm gonna credit interest revenue. Okay, to calculate the note, it's the principal amount of the note times the interest rate times time. Okay, so the principal amount of the note is $1,000. The interest rate is 6%. And then what they mean by time is how long it's been outstanding over a year, because interest is always stated on an annual basis. All right, this is an annual rate. All right, so for our note, she took it out at September 30th, so it's been October, November, December. So it's been 3 out of 12 months. Okay, so the interest that she owes me at December 31st is $15. All right, then when she pays me, of course, I did not leave enough room. So let's put this like this. Make sure y'all can see that. Okay, so then when she pays me on October 1st, is that when she's gonna pay me? September 30th? Okay, she's gonna pay me on September 30th of the next year. All right, so let's say this was 17 and this is 18. I don't really know what the dates are. Okay, so she's gonna pay me cash. All right, she's gonna pay me back for this note receivable. And then I'm also gonna collect this interest receivable that I accrued earlier. And the interest revenue. Okay, now what she's gonna have to pay me is the maturity value of the note. All right, and maturity value is principal plus interest. All right, so in this case, that's gonna be the $1,000 principal plus $1,000 times 6% times 12 over 12 because it was for a whole year, okay? So she's gonna pay me $1,060. All right, her note receivable was for $1,000. We already recorded $15 of the interest as interest receivable. So the extra 45 goes into interest revenue.